Hey there, Carter here for another Proto Tech Tip. Today, we're going to talk about some changes we made to make it easier than ever to request quotes from our website. We are here to help engineers and innovators get their projects moving as quickly as possible. We want to help you remove bottlenecks by custom making your sheet metal and CNC machine designs quickly and in professional quality. You've always been able to get in contact through our website, over the phone, or by contacting your Protocase account manager. Recently, we updated our RFQ or request for quote form on our website. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use it, make your time quoting as easy as possible. Let's get started. Protocase's RFQ form can be accessed anywhere on the website by clicking Request a Quote at the top of the page. The first thing you will be asked is whether your design is a reorder or new design. If it is a reorder, you will need to select whether it has modifications or not. If it doesn't require any modifications and you are just reordering your old parts as it was, ordering is as easy as logging into My Account and selecting the order you want to place again. If there are modifications, you will be prompted with this form to enter your job number, part description, quantity, upload your files, and provide a description of the modifications compared to your previous order. This will help ensure your final product is exactly what you were trying to order. If you are going with a new design, you have the option to then provide your 3D files by uploading them using the selection box. It is also essential to let us know if this is a revision to a part that was previously quoted with us, as it will allow the quoting team to find the previous part and really speed up the quoting process. Then you can also specify the quantity. If you do not have 3D CAD files, you can download Protocase Designer for free to begin designing in minutes. Protocase Designer is the easiest way to make brackets, panels, and enclosures ready for manufacture with zero mechanical design experience. However, if you don't want to personally do the design, perhaps because you don't have the time or it's more complex than what you're comfortable taking on, we're happy to help. You would select that you need help designing and provide what you can. Our design services team can design what you need with as little as a napkin drawing by designing for a reasonable hourly rate. All in all, it is a good idea to give as much information as you can about what you need designed, so we can give you a proper estimate on how much it will cost to design and manufacture your parts. The next section of the RFQ form is the material and finishes section. Here, you will let us know about your design, things like what type of services you require, whether it be sheet metal, CNC machining, 3D printing, or one of the other services Protocase offers. It is important to specify your material type, thickness, finish type, and whether you have graphics, welding, or permanent marking, so that your design can be accurately priced. If you are budget conscious, you can check out our Proto Tech Tip about minimizing your costs, links in the description below. If you choose to have graphics, remember to specify digital print or silkscreen. It is also possible to quote for both if you wish to compare prices. If you select digital print, you can also specify your resolution between standard and premium resolutions, or quote for both. We have made several Proto Tech tips in the past on a variety of topics about our different graphics offerings. One key tip is to remember to vector files instead of raster. You can also specify if your design requires permanent marking like engrave and fill, laser marking, and more. We have a Proto Tech tip on the different part markings we offer, as well as info on our website if you would like to know more about these offerings. After you are done with the material and finishes section, select Next at the bottom of your screen. Now, you're at the project and timeline section of the RFQ form. Here's where you can let us know about things like your timeline, priorities, compliance, and required documentation. The first thing to do is select a preferred lead time between priority and economy. Then, you can fill in a variety of details about the ordering process that will help us to process your quote. Once you have filled out the project and timeline section, click Next to go to the contact info section. This is pretty self-explanatory. Leave your details as well as any notes on how you'd like to be contacted. One more thing to note, we aim to make this new request a quote form as complete as possible so that our quoting team has all the pertinent information in order to quote your design. But that doesn't mean you have to fill out every single field if you don't need to. We've made the select fields in the form mandatory as they are crucial to providing an accurate quote. Some other fields aren't necessary. Required fields are marked with a little asterisk symbol. In the end, we're here to quote your design accurately and quickly, no matter what you need custom manufactured. Check out the website and submit a request for a quote to get your next project started. Check the description for links to everything we talked about today. Thank you very much for watching, and tune in next Tuesday for another Proto Tech Tip.